Hello guys, welcome to Trust Whales. Today we are going to analyze 5 coins to hold in 2025, best coins actually. Don't worry about it, I've searched a lot and I selected these coins. I know they are the most popular, they have the most potential, so everything is fine. In 2025 we are going to have alt season and I have asked ChatGPT why we should hold them, and we are going to do this process again and see why we should trust them, why we should buy them and invest on them. So let's start with Ripple, after that Litecoin, Optimism, Uniswap and Sandbox. These are all the best coins I've searched, they are valid. Okay, we are going to analyze them in 4-hour time frame and listen to ChatGPT. I wrote something for him, so we are going to save time. Hi ChatGPT, I'm a trader. I want to ask you about future of some coins that I will give you. Okay, I should correct this. LTC, XRP, Uniswap, all the coins I wrote down here. Tell me one by one why I should hold them in 2025 and why they are so popular in 2025 having. Let's see his answer. Okay, alright. Here I will be happy to walk you through these coins, these steps, okay? Okay guys, we are not going to trust it at first glance. Let us discuss, let us analyze them and buy them if you want. If you are okay with that, I won't say that you should do it. They are the best. You analyze them and look at your margin, look at your strategies. Okay, why hold XRP in 2025? XRP has been, look, some of the features are the same and not valid, only some benefits that are not okay. They won't have somehow great potential or pump in future. Okay, look at here. If you guys recently heard about Ripple, I have news for you. Ripple, some coin will be replaced by Ripple, and this will impact on Ripple. This will have a great impact on Ripple, and Ripple is on our priority to buy, top one priority. Ripple is great, so sometimes these replacements will going to pump in coin, so they will be more valid and they will be near Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So Ripple is trying to settle himself more. So especially in financial and banking system, this is great. This will explode this coin, and I guess this is the most important feature we should consider for XRP. And it's okay to put some of our investment and margin on XRP, even if not in 2025, but in 2026 or 2027, you will gain a great profit. Don't worry about it. Such coins have great potential. So I can say that I'm 90% sure about Ripple. Just wait and see. Wait for alt season. Wait for Bitcoin's new pump, new bull momentum. Because due to last dumps, everything is on the lowest price. It's okay to enter. It's okay to enter, I guess, guys. But you can wait even in 2 weeks, 3 weeks to be sure of the pump and buy Bitcoin again, buy altcoins in alt season. Okay, okay. Popularity in 2025. I talked about it a few minutes ago, I guess. XRP is popular, Ripple is popular, and it will be more popular in a near future. Okay, we can hold it. Let's see It's okay. Okay. Let's move on to Litecoin. Network improvement, having cycle. Uh, it is so important somehow. Let's see on chart. Okay. Litecoin as well as XRP, they're both somehow they had a pump, but they had a fall again, and they're all back in the beginning position. So they're in the great price to open a spot. In next few weeks, as Bitcoin will pump, they will pump too. Um, we are not sure about the percentage. Here it is 2024 first halving, and this will be the second phase. Maybe as the first phase, but I think that it will be a little bit weaker than the first phase, but it is a pump. These are again not important. Most of the coins has these elements, these features. So network improvement, value, they are all the same. We shouldn't focus on them. Most altcoins, most great coins have this. Okay, 2025 having bull market. It is most established, and these two coins, guys, Litecoin and Ripple, um, these are so stable, and they are not like shitcoins or somehow like other altcoins. Let's see, Optimism. We had those two. They were good. Optimism is not so popular as the first ones. Okay, it is a solution for Ethereum. Great backup. Ethereum as a backup. Reduce gas fees. It is a. This is the future. This is the future. The future is great. Gas and renewable energies. So in near future, we will struggle for ecosystem, future plans, and energies. So coins related to these features are going to explode as Ethereum grows. Coins like Optimism will increasingly vital. So the second most important coin is Ethereum. So Optimism is valid, is great. Is Ethereum protects Optimism? It's okay. And again, energies we are going to, I said, struggle, so it will pump. It will be a great position, I guess not in 2025, 2026, in a little far future. But look at here. It is the best position to open a long spot position. The lowest price and valid resistance zone. So lowest price and okay to have some investment on it, but I guess 2% or 5% of your investments of your margin on Optimism market, I guess, is great right now for spot trading. Let's pass it. It proves himself very well. Uniswap, decentralized finance like One or CRV or Filecoin. Uniswap is one of the most popular decentralized exchange on Ethereum blockchain. Ongoing. Okay, guys, decentralized finance is very trend. Most of coins, altcoins especially in 2025 having, are waiting for these platforms to check on to prove themselves. Decentralized data, decentralized finance. It's okay to trust them. Uh, its governance, token, voting power on future, on Uniswap protocol. You can edit this one, give opinion on this one. You know, all these coins somehow have a great feature. One for renewable energies, one for decentralized finance features. in terms of liquidity, it is about DeFi ecosystem. Okay, it proves it's another reason to rely on this coin. In near future, it will be massively explode somehow. And Sandbox, okay, Sandbox, metaverse growth. Guys, for Sandbox metaverse growth, the most popular and most trend feature here is metaverse. Sandbox in metaverse let users create their own assets and experiences as the metaverse continues to gain attraction in 2025. Sandbox, Sand, is going to grow. Okay, another reason metaverse is so popular. This is the future. All of the coins had something about the future of the world and technology. And as you guys know, metaverse is our new life, is going to be our new life. So, no worry. This is the afterlife somehow. In later times, you will need Sandbox to trade something in the other life in metaverse. I won't talk about it. I don't want to be in jail. But it's okay to hold your assets on, some of your assets. All these features we read in all 5 coins were trend, were valid, were okay. They have valid backups, valid coins, protect these coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin. They are safe, they are fine, they won't be unlisted like shitcoins. So it's okay to have some of your banks on them. NFT, metaverse, gas, petrol systems, decentralized data, decentralized finance, cross border payments, institutional adoptions for XRP. Look, guys, for our wrap up, the most important feature for XRP, or in somehow in every asset, cross border payments for XRP especially, and for Litecoin, faster transactions, future transactions, for Optimism. What else do you want, guys? All were great, and now they are all in the lowest price, great for spot, not for futures. I won't somehow recommend this one, but for spot positions, they are all okay right now. They are on the minimum price. So Uni not actually Uniswap can have a little bit more fall, but Sandbox is okay. Sandbox is okay. It has about 40% to fall for Uniswap, but it's not a big deal on spot positions, especially, excuse me, not for large margins. XRP and Optimism and Litecoin, they are our first priority to hold assets on. They are on minimum position, they are on minimum stage. We can have profit from their phase 2 pump, and don't look at these coins as a fast scalp profit. They will not give you in next 3 or 4 months. Just wait and relax. They will give you profit in 1 or 2 years somehow after 2025 having. Okay, guys, that's enough, I guess. Let's finish this. Give me any comments. Give me everything you want to say. Just comment, just write down, and tell me what coins you are going to hold in 2025 or 2025 having. Let me know of them. In recent videos, I've introduced Filecoin, One, AR, FXS. They are again good coins to hold. And this is another video for some valid coins. Subscribe, hit the like button, and happy trading, guys. Happy trading. Bye for now.